In this video, I will show you how to work with Google Docs. As you can see, Docs is the short form of documents. So in Google Docs, we can edit documents or we can create new documents. So to access Google Docs, we have to enter a URL in your browser, which is docs.google.com. Currently, I am logged in with my Gmail account, and this is the basic interface which you will get using the URL. So this is an interface is the same as Gmail and Google Drive. We have a logo on the top left and a search bar and an apps icon and again our email address. Below that, on the left side, we have a menu. When we click on that, we have docs, sheets, slides, and we can switch between these three. Currently I am in docs, so the docs is in board format. I can switch from this menu to sheets, slides, or even my drive, Google Drive. We have other two, settings and help and feedbacks. On the right side, we have list view, or I click that, it becomes grid view, depending on your choice. Another one is sorting option. We can sort our items or documents by last modified, last edited by me, last opened by me, or title. Currently it's last opened by me. And the last one option we have is open file picker. When I click on that, it will open my drive, Google Drive, and I can select any document file from my drive and open it in Google Docs. Or I can also upload a document file to my Google Docs account. So I will close that. And below are these. We have our document interface. Here all our documents will be appear. Currently we don't have any documents. So the message appear, no text documents yet. And below that, click plus to create new document. And the plus icon is on the footer of the interface. So to create new document, click on the plus icon and it will open Google Docs editor. If you use Office Suite, then you will be familiar with this interface. On the top, we have our document title. When you click on that, it prompts us to enter new document name. And I will name this test and click OK. And now my document name is test. After that, we have start as we have talked before this, and we have moved to folder. We can move our document to folder. On the left side, we have Docs Home. When we click this icon, it will switch us to our Docs, Google Docs account, and will close the editor. After that, we have file, we have basic menu. When I click on file, we have drop down menu appear, and we can do different type of functions here. We can print our page, we can also do page setup, we can also download as, we can also download our document, publish to the web, email it, we can also change language, history of the document edited, we can also delete it or move to folder, we can also make a copy, rename our document, or open new document or create new document. In the edit, we have redo and undo. If we do any changes in the document, we can redo it or undo it. We have paste option. Currently cut and copy is not highlighted because we don't have any text to cut or copy or paste it. If I click paste, then we don't have any text to paste. So this gave me option. So I'll close this. Another option in edit menu is web clipboard. Web clipboard is we can copy clipboard from web. Currently we don't have any clipboard copy, so it is hidden. We can select all our documents, all our document text. Let me write something. This is test document for video tutorial. I can select all. Now you can see that my text has been selected, and I can also find and replace any text. Let me show. Find this, and now you can see that this has been highlighted and replaced by where. When I click replace, it will replace this by where, and I will replace it again where by this. And when I click replace all, it will search all the document, and where he found where, then it will replace it by this. So I'll replace it that. We have view option here. We have print layout. This is the layout which we can able to print using any paper. We have mode. In the mode option we have editing, suggestion and viewing mode. We can edit any document or edits become suggestions. You can see the small detail here. Edits become suggestion. And we have viewing, read or print final document. Show ruler. This is the ruler, and currently it's displayed to us because we have marked it show ruler. Show equation toolbar. It will show us equation toolbar. You can see that here we have different type of equations now, and we have spelling suggestions. If I wrong spell any text, then it can give me suggestion to make it correct. We have compact control. I click that, the top menu become hide, and we can undo that by clicking show the menu button here. We can also hide our menu from view. We can also hide our menu using this icon, hide or show. And another option is full screen. When I click that, our document will become full screen mode. We have insert option, insert image, link, equation, drawing, and we can also insert table. If you are familiar with Microsoft Office Word, then you have already seen this option and you don't have any difficulties using Google Docs editor. When I click this, it will open a table to us. There is footnote. If you want to insert a note, then we can use this option, and every option there is a shortcut. We can press Ctrl Alt F to use this function, and for link we have Ctrl K. We can insert link using Ctrl K. We have special characters. Sometimes keyboard don't have special characters, so when you click on this, it shows us all the special characters which we can use in our document. We have horizontal line. If we click, we can insert horizontal line to our document. We can also use page numbers, and we can also count our pages. We can use page break. We can also insert header and footer to our document. We can bookmark this, or we can insert table of contents for our documents. Another option is format. We can format our text. Let me select my text, and you can see the format option also here, bold. I click on this, it's bold and it is listed here, italic, underline, text color. We can also see more options here. It's strike through, align over a document, superscript, and you can see the icon near the text here what superscript can do or what this option can do. And we have subscript. We have paragraph styles. You can use paragraph styles in here. We have align our document to left, right or center. And we can also use this using this menu. So I'll align it to center. We have line spacing. Line spacing also here. We have clear formatting. If you done any changes in the format, then when I click on this, it will clean all the formatting option we have did. Currently we don't have any lines, so this is hidden. Crop image, image options, replace image, reset image or alt text. Another menu is tools. We have spellings. When I click on that, no spelling suggestions. It will give us suggestion about spellings. We have a research option. Using Ctrl Alt Shift plus I, we can do a research about our selected text or whole document. If I select a text and click on Tools, Research, another window will come on the right side and it will give us different results, web results and Google links. We can also do define. It will define our selected text. Currently we don't have any result here. If I select a document from this text and click define, then it will define what is documents. Now you can see that document, a piece of written, printed or electronic matter that provide information, etc. And then we can get a definition from here. Your other option in tools, word count, and select that pages. I have 1 page, words 1 and document 7. Characters, we have 35 characters in our document. In our selection we have 8 characters. And character with space we have 9 and in the whole document we have 41. So this is the detail of your document. Another options here, translate document. We can translate document into different languages. Select your language here and click on translate and it will translate that selected text to your required language. Another option is script editor. If we have script, for example a program, PHP coding or HTML coding, we can use script editor and script editor will open a new tab and this is script editor. We can edit our script here or can insert it here to our document. Another option we have preferences. When I click on that, we have another windows pop up and when we enter this type of text, it will convert it to this one. You can see we have 2 columns here, replace and with. When I enter this text, it will automatically change it to this type of symbol. We can also insert or on symbols or text for the symbols and click OK to save that. Let me show you. When I insert that, you can see that it become a symbol, copyright symbol. We have other option here, personal dictionary. We can add different type of words here to our dictionary or cancel this. We have table options. Currently we can insert table. We can select different type of rows and column and you can see that below here 9 by 5. We have 5 columns and 1 row. If I go below, Then we have 5 columns, 5 rows. When I click that, it will insert a table here. And we have more option in our table. We can insert a row above. It will insert row above or cursor. We can insert row below, insert column to left or right. We can delete row before deleting row. Our column have 5 rows and we have deleted 1 row. And we can also delete column or can delete whole table. We have table properties here. Currently merge cells and unmerged cells is hidden because we have not selected 2 cells to merge. We have table properties and we can change our table layout from table properties. We have table borders. This is the color which we can change for our table borders. Currently it's 1pt. Cell background color we can change it from here, and cell vertical alignment should stop. We can also specify custom column width and minimum row height. We have cell padding option. Currently its value is set to 0.069 in table align to left, and left and right edges we have 0. If I click OK, this option will apply to my table. Now you can see that our cell become gray and the border of the table become red. We have add-ons option. We can get different add-ons by clicking on get add-ons, and a pop-up will come up and you can see different add-ons here which we can use with our Google Docs. Select any add-on and click plus button and it will automatically add to your Google Docs editor. So close this. We have help option here and we can search or can get different type of helps. If I click keyboard shortcut, it will show me all keyboard shortcut used in this editor. Close this, and below that we have shortcut menu which is used for shortcuts. All these options in the shortcut menu are available in the top menu, but we can use this as a shortcut. Let me show you practically. If I select a document, I can change its fonts. Currently it's Arial. Do that. Now it's become Comic Sans. I can change its size, font size. I can make it bold, italic, or make it underline. I can also change the text color and can also insert link to our text. Close this. We can also insert comments about my selected text. We can align this. Currently it's aligned to center. We can align it left or right align, and we can justify our text. We have a line spacing. Currently by default it's 1.15, and we can do different type of spacing here. We can assign custom spacing. If you need custom spacing, then you can use this option and enter your value. We have number list, we have bullet list, and decrease in length or increase in length. We can also remove formatting, so it will clear our formatting. Currently we have normal text. We can also use different option like heading, and it will become large as a heading. We have other options here. This is for the whole document. We can, currently it's fit, currently it's 100%. We can also fit it, so So now you can see that our document is fit to our window size. I will switch back to 100%. We have also painting option, redo and undo. And another one is print. We can also print our document. Now it gives me an option. The option here, we can save this to our local computer. When I click save, it will download to our local computer and then we can print it using printer. And the format it will give us is PDF. I'll cancel that. So this is the editor which we can use to edit our document. So I will switch back to Google Docs by clicking this icon, and our document will appear in our Google Docs account here. Now you can see that this is our test document which we have created at this time. When I click on grid wave, it becomes grid. When I click on this option here, you can rename it, remove it, or open in new tab. So this is the options and detail of Google Docs. How to use Google Docs to create your own documents and publish it to web or save it and print it. See you in the next video.